back, Robert. Get to his back. Get to his back. Watch yourself. You can be thrown here.
And announcing the winners of the kids' game of the division. In third place, James Innocenti, TNT MMA. And in second place, Owen Davis, the Orange Jiu-Jitsu.
Here's the half guard. Push him out. Push his knee. Go to him out. Push his knee,
And the
Robert.
world champion
Push his knee, Robert.
Dave
Push his
Whistler,
knee.
Gracie
Other knee. Other
Ventura.
knee. Right hand to his knee. Right hand to his knee. Push his knee and go to him out. Stay heavy. Push his knee and go to him out. Yes. Do that. Go. 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 Push his knee. Go to him out. Left arm under his neck. Tight. 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 Swoosh. You okay? Left arm under his neck.
Vamos, Ken, vamos, vamos, papi. Vamos, Ken. Vamos, mijo, vamos. Relax, mijo, relax.
Snap him down, Robert. Rip your grip free. Rip it free. Rip it. Rip it out of the way. You have 130 to earn back 2 points, Robert. You're down 0-2. You're fine. We got to get that takedown. Look out, look out. Push the pace, Robert.
Vamos, Ken.
Robert, you have 1 minute to go. You got to earn 2 points. You can either take him down or you can pull a guard and sweep. Good, good. Finish it. Finish it. Drive. Good. Posture. Free your neck. Defend your neck. Good. Stay on top. Way to go, Robert.
Vamos, papi, vamos.
Stand and open. Get your posture right away, Robert. Get your posture. Close guard, Robert. Get your posture, Robert. Why'd you do that, Robert? Pull your left arm out, Robert. Pull your left arm out. Watch the triangle. Pull your arm out. Pull your arm out, Robert. Pull your left arm out. Pull your arm out, Robert. Circle your head away. Watch the triangle, Robert. Don't let him get to your back. Watch your neck. Circle your head out, Robert. You can do it. Circle your head out. Good. Now posture and stand up. Let's go. Posture. Posture.
Daniel, let's go, Daniel!
Vamos, Ken, vamos.
You did it once. You can do it again, Robert. You did it once. Same takedown. Same takedown, Robert. Same takedown.
Get the back, Daniel!